Hi, welcome back to Find Our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create new folder on Mac. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. When you're just starting out on a new Mac with its huge storage and untouched desktop, it feels like the sky's the limit, and you can let screenshots pile up on the desktop, downloads in your download folder, and leave your document folders empty. So, uh, what if you want to create a new folder on your MacBook? It's very simple. First of all, if you want to create new folder on your desktop screen, you can just click right and there is an option new folders. You can just select on that, and then here you can click right on the folder to rename it and rename on the folder, for example like this. To rename it, maybe you want to rename like this. And if you want to create new folders on Finder, it's very simple. You can just open your Finder. You can choose on the where you want to create folder in. Maybe in here, you can just click right. There's an option new folder. You can select on that and you can name it. It's very simple, right? So that is, and if you want to move your folder from desktop to your Finder, you can just select, click on the folder, click and hold, and you can just drag it into your Finder like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to create new folders on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.